Yo, Joe here, and today we're talking about the LTE Cellular dash cam. Very excited to get this. I had a couple dash cams back in the day. You know, the wires and everything were a little bit funky, and you know, it was okay, but it didn't do a lot of features. So it didn't have a lot of features. This seems to have a ton of features. For example, anytime, anywhere, monitor your car in real time with 4G live view and GPS tracking. It's pretty legit. Especially if you're like park your car and you're going far away, you're doing something, or you're away from your car a long time. Say you're going to a different country or you're going to a different state, flying. You want to keep an eye on your car in a little shady neighborhood. You want to check in your car? Right here. Dual lens, G sensor, parking surveillance. Again, I love the parking surveillance aspect. An older one that I had, I had to purchase an extra piece, then you had to connect it to the battery, and it was just a whole thing. So right here, 24-hour parking monitor with real-time push notifications for the app, as you can see. That's pretty cool. Get an app, you can check your car, check everything. Yeah, let's go check it out. There we go. As you can see, everything that comes in the package, very sleek, cool, dual camera. I've been seeing a lot of things online nowadays that people are trying to car insurance scams, purposely getting into accidents. This is more important nowadays than ever, especially with all people trying to get rich quick, not doing the real work. Again, dual cameras, one camera here with some buttons right there, and the back camera. right there. And on top, there's a sticky pad, goes right here. Stick it to your car, the mirror. Let's see. Yep, right here. Stick to your car mirror like this. However your car or truck is, right there. And you got two-way camera. Boom. Okay, with these buttons, record, volume, power, all that good stuff. So as you can see here, the app is unbox Pro. The little QR code in the user manual. Yeah, it's just saying once you download it, it'll update to the nearest version, so it's updated. You can see it's pretty extensive. It's telling you everything. It's got great speakers, as I was reading. A SIM card if you want more space. Micro probe hole, power port, manual lock, privacy mode, power button. Whole bunch of fixed spindle, GPS module, fixed bracket, equipment indicator lights, front radar position, front camera lens, rear radar position, rear camera lens. Again, that whole radar is what I'm really excited for. You can footage lock, so if something happens, you can press a button, it'll lock the footage, and you won't lose it. Which is always thing I'm worried about is when you maybe see you get in an accident or someone's doing something and they get caught on camera, losing that footage. Not with this. Everything's right to the app. You could save everything instantly. Tells you how to create an account and log in, register. Seems pretty standard, pretty easy. Yeah, connected to Bluetooth. So when the vehicle engine is turned off, the camera automatically enters parking monitor mode. Automatically, that's great. In this mode, both the radar sensor and the G sensor remain active. The radar sensor is triggered when a person or object approaches the vehicle. The G sensor is triggered when vibration or impact is detected. So even great. So two different ways when your car is either shakes, maybe you got a big truck going down and slams your side mirror, the camera will pick it up and you'll get that license plate, which is huge. Once triggered, the camera will save the event to the SD card, upload the video to the cloud. Again, that's what I love the best, is there's no chance you're going to lose this footage. Send a real-time alert through the app. It ignores non-human motion for reduced false alerts, which is great. I got one of those cameras at my front door. I get notifications for the wind blowing too hard. This is great where it's not blowing up your phone, because we have enough things blowing up our phones nowadays. When the vehicle is in motion, the camera switches to driving mode. In this mode, continuous video is recorded and stored on the card. Only the G sensor remains active. Radar detection is turned off. If a collision or strong vibration is detected during driving, a relevant video segment is automatically locked and protected from being overwritten. Again, love the fact that you won't lose the footage. All right, just got back, installed it, tested it, ran it around, even shook my car from the outside. The app is so easy to use, so easy to download. Totally recommend the LTE Cellular dash cam, the dual-way camera. It's, again, nowadays people looking to scam you with car insurance, trying to get an accident saying it's your fault, when clearly they're doing it on purpose. And if you want video, you have no proof. So this is a great item to protect you from that. If you got some vandals trying to, some kids out trying to cause mischief, key in your cars, boom, you can catch it on camera, goes right to the cloud, will not be deleted, goes right to the cloud, right to your phone, boom, within seconds you have it. Highly recommend this camera. I've had a few in the past. This one, tested it real quick. I'm excited. I can't wait to continue to use it.